only like 8 minutes of video left.
What you doing? Don't look at me. Keep doing what you were doing. It says 53.
Oh, maybe just put it off then.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. It says 6. Natalie, what are you doing? Torturing Moki?
Loves it. Otherwise you wouldn't lay right next to you all the time.
Hey. Natalie. Natalie. Hey, listen to me. Come over here. Come here. What's this? Come get this. Come get it. I don't know what you think your dolphin move is doing. Apparently other kids do it though, because at baby time they were saying that someone else does it. Hi. Hi, monkey.
She knows how to get close enough, and then once she's like right next to it is what she usually tries. So, like, you just need to roll one more time, or do your little knee up thing, and you can probably get there.
What's this? What, are you tired? Hmm? Natalie is constantly on the move. What are you doing?
What do you know?
Careful.
Careful, Natalie.
You don't think Mom's books should be at the edge, or you think they should be pushed back? Hey. Come over here. Come over here so everyone can see you. You clapping with your feet? Now you did it.
Come here. Love it being next to this bookshelf, huh?
Natalie, why do you like to be close to stuff like that? Come over here. Look. It's like a yo-yo. Get the mouse. Get it. What's that little grin for? Careful. His pants are giving her a wedgie. Oh, Natalie, the battery has ended.